G'day guys and welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be doing another lot of TryHackMe. First of all, well, what I've done so far, you may or may not have seen if you're new to the channel, guys. I've got a cybersecurity introduction, I suppose, recording, and did network fundamentals of recent times. So check those out if you haven't already. And obviously today will be all about how the web works. So we'll get stuck into a bit of DNS, HTTP, and just chucking it all together in one go and having a red hot crack. So DNS is all about having, I suppose, meaningful names for websites and then being able to convert those in a meaningful way so humans can read them, but also the computers know what's going on. So yeah, DNS will do the conversion of IPs to names, essentially, or vice versa. It's one or the other. What does DNS stand for? This one's, without looking, domain name system. Correct. Alright, yeah. And it has it right at the top there as well, which is nice. Domain hierarchy. So we've got three lots here. Top, second level, subdomain. What is the maximum length of a subdomain? I don't know off the top of my head. But it looks like it's got 63 characters or 253. I'm going to go 250. Oh no, it's only 2, so 63. Can't type. Got that one. So limited to 63 characters. Which of the following characters cannot be used in the subdomain? I'm going to go with the underscore, just as a general guide. Yep. The others are based off of, yeah, seem pretty elementary there. What is the maximum length of a domain name? 253 seemed to be the answer that popped up there. Beautiful. What type of TLD is .co.uk? That would be, yes, interesting. It's probably not a subdomain. Ooh. Give .uk a go. No. Yeah, alright, this will test me a little bit. Okay, so looking at that, it'll be country code TLD. Got there in the end. Alright, record types. So yeah, DNS, we've got a few different types. We've got A records, quadruple A records, CNAME, MX text record. What type of record would be used to advise where to send email? That'd be MX. Yep, that deals with MX records. Handles IPv6. I'm gonna guess CNAME. No, it's gonna be quadruple A. If I can get that going, perfect, correct. What are we doing now? We're making a DNS request. What field specifies how long a DNS record should be cached for? Got no idea, to be honest, so let's figure that out together, right? Don't think it'll be long. What field specifies how long a DNS record should be cached for? Would be CTL, I believe. Sweet, got it. What type of DNS server is usually provided by your ISP? Type of DNS server. Recursive. Sweet, I can spell. What type of server holds all the records for a domain? That would be a TLD server. Authoritative, there we go. This will be an interesting one to spell. Authoritative. Boom, done it. Authoritative, yep. Holds all those. We've got a bit of practice. Using the website on the right, we can build requests to make DNS and view the result. The website will show you the command you need to run on your computer if you wish to make these requests yourself. Alright, let's have a suss. Okay, so what is the same name of shop.website.thm? Okay, if we go CNAME, subdomain, and we will go to shop. So we've got shop.website.thm. non-authoritative answer shop.website.thm canonical name equals shops.myshopify.com. Boom! There we go. What is the value of the text record of website.thm? So we just navigate to text, and we've got website.thm there. That's don't need to put in a subdomain. Cool. We've got the tag there. THM. Boom. Whoop whoop. What is the numerical priority value for the MX record? Let's have a sus. Do we need subdomain? That would be 30. Excellent. What is the IP address for the A record of www website? THM. So again, don't need to put in subdomain because that is all good. That will be the address there, all 10s. I'll type it out just to really make sure of it. Excellent. Sweet. Done this one. Gotten through it. Alright, let's get out of here. Surely it should take me to the next room. Looks like not to be the case at this time, but it's okay. It's alright. We'll just do the old go back and do a trick. Alright, DNS done. Next step is HTTP in detail. Moving on to the next room. Gee whiz, opening up website straight away. Fair enough. Alright, questions. What does HTTP stand for? Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Without looking. Legitimately. Protocol. What does the S in HTTP stand for? It stands for secure. On the mock webpage on the right, there is an issue once you found out what is the challenge in the flag. The mock says, I can see it doesn't have HTTPS. But what? Yeah, what are we? Welcome to TryHackMe. Wonder if that will do the trick. Here we go. That old trick there. Got it. I knew I didn't have HTTPS on there. Just a matter of finding out the dealio. Request and responses, URLs, past host ports, requests, the whole 9 yards. What HTTP protocol is being used in the above example? We've got an example, do we? HTTP protocol. Let's suss it. I would say 443. Oh, no, there's a bit more going on there. All right, let's have a bit of a squiz through this example. Get HTTP 1.1, tryhackme.com. All right, and yep. What HTTP protocol is being used in the example? Looks like HTTP 1.1 to me. That syntax is correct. It is. Perfect. What auto response header tells the browser how much data to expect? Let's check. I reckon 98 gives us a really good gauge there. So we can go content length. Beautiful. Green is good. HTTP methods. So we've got get, post, put, and delete request. What method would be used to create a new user account? That would be a put or a post. Post looks good to me. What method would be used to update your email address? I'd be going put. What method would you use to remove a picture you've updated? Delete sounds pretty good to me. Bling bling. What method would you be used to view a news article. That would be a GET request. We just want to see what's going on. HTTP status codes. There's all sorts of different types, depending on whether it's user side, user browser side, server side. So there's plenty going on. What response code might you receive if you create a new user for a blog post article? I feel like it would end in 99 potentially. Okay, client errors, common codes, 201. There we go. 201 gets the job done. If it doesn't exist, 404. What response code might you get if the web server cannot access the database and application? I think it's 503. 503 sounds about right. Beautiful. What auto response code might you receive if you try and edit a profile without logging in first? That'll be unauthorized, which might be 403, I believe. Forbidden. Yep. Excuse me. 401. And I think unauthorized trick. Sweet. Got there in the end. Okay. Common. Alright, some headers. HTTP headers. What header tells the web server what browser is being used? So that will be user agent, I believe. User agent. Superb. Done. What header tells the browser what type of data is being returned? That would be maybe set cookie. Nope. What header tells the browser what type of data is being returned? Content type. Looks a goods. It's well done. What header tells the web server which website is being requested? Reference up here, host. Slick. Alright, onto some cookies. I like chocolate chip personally. It's my favorite. Alright, which header is used to save cookies to your computer? Local caching, set cookie. Access response. Which header is used to save cookies to your computer? Let's suss it. Set cookie. I don't know if I already did that. Boom. Alright. On to some practical practice. Change your request method URL. Yep. Great. Thanks. Make a GET request to room. Okay. So we got GET. Chuck in room. Oh dear. Let's go. We're in the room. Done. I thought there was going to be heaps more involved there. Alright, make a GET request to blog in using the gear icon. Set the parameter 1. Okay. Blog. Okay. And then we're going to set the value to key value to 1, I believe. What are we doing again? ID parameter. Yeah, let's give that a go. Cool. Go. We got it. We got the code. Whoop. Make a delete request to user 1. Right, delete, and there we go. User 1. Have I done the formatting correctly? I have. Yep, excellent. All right, let's go. User's gone. He's out of here. Put request. So we're updating some records now with user 2 and setting username to admin. Done. Go. Got another flag. Excellent. Post the username of THM and a password of let me in to log in. Okay. This will be so post. Alright, log in. Password. Log on, password. Let me in. Oh, chuck that in. And what's going on here? Post the username of Okay, so I've got to get rid of that one. Sorry, my bad. Username, THM. And password, let me in. Post should be good now. Done. I can't even copy and paste or read instructions. Sweet. Got through that one. Look at us go, guys. We are not even anywhere close to world record pace, but this is great. Hope you're enjoying this, by the way. Certainly a lot of fun and a lot of dopamine hits. Certainly getting as a result of this, lots of green, which is positive. How websites work is up next, the next room. All right, let's see how the World Wide Web, well, websites specifically works. All right, there's a lot that goes into it. What do we got? Okay, what term best describes the side your computer renders a website? That'd be user end. Yeah, it's not, the terminology's not coming to my head, unfortunately. Front end. There we go. Not bad. What term best describes the side your browser renders a website? Oh, client. Yeah, client side. Derp. What? Client side, I reckon, will be the one. Cool, got that. Eventually reading between the lines. I think we already got the RP. Yep, excellent. Questions. One of the images on the cat is broken. Fix it. And the image will reveal hidden text answer. Okay. I know why. Render HTML code. And there we go. HTML hero. Woo! Got it. So yeah, obviously here we needed to add the extension. There was no definition of what the extension was, and we've got the old apostrophe. Call it apostrophe. I think that's the one. Brain needs to work. Add a dog image to the page by adding another image tag on line 11. The dog image location is image.dog-1.png. Okay. So another. Yep. It's telling me exactly where to add the dog in. Great. So I'll just lean on the shoulders of giants. And should be good from there. There he is. Mimi dogs. Woo! Got it. Mimi cats and Mimi dogs together. How beautiful. JavaScript. Definitely going to be interesting. Got a bit of practical exercise here. Let's view the site, see what's going on. click view site. Yep, done that. On the right hand side, add JavaScript that changes the demo elements content to hack the planet. Alright, okay. Oh, hack the planet. Maybe. Hey, I did it. Just had a feeling it was wrong. JavaScript is fun. Don't know about that. If it was this easy, yeah, absolutely, be lots of fun. Add the button HTML from this task that changes the elements text to button clicked on the editor on the right. Update the code by clicking render HTML plus JS. Alright. What am I doing? Add the button HTML from this task that changes the elements text to button clicked on the editor on the right. Okay, let's try HTML, JS. It's probably going to want me to take the comments out, but I'll see. Let's take the comments out. Okay. Type HTML-JS into the box above, then click render. Okay, guys, so my programming knowledge is no good here. I'm going to have to lean on a bit of a hint, and yeah, I would have had to Google that anyway, but so we'll go this, copy the code in. Alright, let's give this a go now. Cool. Did it. Struggled. Programming is not really my go, but yeah, that was the answer there. First little stumbling block. Hopefully not too many more for this moment. View the website on this task. What is the password hidden in the source code? So if we go view site, we're in the site, I believe. Yep. We know this page is, yeah. Whenever you're accessing web application, you should review the web pages, see if spine, editing, exposed. Yes, okay. Can we inspect? Here we go. It's just popped up here on my other screen, and I can see password. Oh. I found it. Yep. To do, remove test credentials, and I found test password. Cool, got there. I just realized I have skipped through HTML or not done all of them. There we go. Yep, cool. HTML's done now. So sensitive data exposure. Now we're up to HTML injection. So this is where it's getting really interesting. What's your name? What are we doing? View the website on this task, inject HTML so that malicious link. So that's a malicious link to http://hacker.com is shown. Joe blogs. Welcome to Joe blogs. Just have a bit of a read up on this bit. You need to type in information in the field. Input is use JavaScript to show the name on the page. Yep. Suppose I could just do welcome to http://hacker.com. How do we inject a link? View the website on this task and inject the HTML so that a malicious link to http://hacker.com is shown. Alright, I'm going to have to get on the Google bandwagon to this one, guys. So let's give this a crack and I'll be back shortly. Okay, let's try some code I found. We'll put hacker.com into there. And is that HTTP? It is. Okay, you've been hacked. Sweet, I did it. Welcome to You've Been Hacked. Awesome. Good deal. Good deal. Sweet. All right, let's move on to the next one. I think it might be the final one too. Let's get a sus. It'd be nice if it just took me to the next room automatically. I feel like sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. Putting it all together. Here we go. Oof. I feel like this one's going to be quite challenging. I've already been challenged a little bit. I'm definitely not on the programming side of things, but let's have a go. So, yeah, we've read this. Absolutely, we've read it. Other components: load balancers, CDNs, databases, WAFs. What can be used to host static files and speed up a client's visit to a website? That would be CDN. Content delivery network. Got them all around the world. There's Googles everywhere. What does a load balancer perform to make sure a host is still alive? Be a ping of some kind. Round robin health check. Health check sounds pretty good to me. Sounds better than a ping. What can be used to help against the hacking of a website? Definitely a WAF. Web application firewall. What have we got? What does web server software use to host multiple files? What does web server software use to host multiple sites? My bad. Directories, I would imagine. Different directories, virtual hosts. Is that what we're doing? Yeah. Virtual hosts. Cool. What is the name for the type of content that can change? It's called dynamic content. And what does the client see? Does the client see the backend code, yay or nay? That's a netty no. That's the admin side to see. All right, what are we doing here? Hopefully not some crazy. Oh, rightio. Yeah, just tearing it all up together. When it will highlight green in the wrong spot, highlight red. Make sure you do not refresh the page. Okay, what happens first? Alright, so let's just have a quick squiz of these. I'm going to have to do some Googling, guys. Alright, guys, I eventually found a way there. Little bit of... I did have to lean on their video a little bit, as we can see, to get the final answer. Yeah, it would have been a lot of combinations, but... There you go. A couple of tough ones, no doubt about that. So I've completed the room there, which is good. A couple, obviously, I needed to do a bit of Googling and a bit of digging, but they're only going to get harder and harder from here. That's for sure. So what have we done here? Pre-security, and today we have absolutely ticked the box of how the web works. Next episode is going to be all about Linux fundamentals. So, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I appreciate you sticking around. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe away, click the bell, all that good stuff. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I'll see you in the next video.